No hang-ups. Hi. You say answering machines give you a headache? Well, leave 2 messages, get plenty of sleep, and I'll call you in the morning. Beep. Welcome back to Sassy Granny Vlogs. Okay, guys, we are back again with another new vlog. And y'all, you're not going to believe it. The mystery, the Strange Sounds mystery is finally solved. But it don't just end here. Wow. With my muffled dome thing going on, I managed to hear some more little noise here in my craft room. So I came in here and she was running. She was trying to run as fast as her little bitty legs would let her run to hide so I wouldn't see her. But she was not fast enough this time. So I seen her. And I talked to her. And guess what? She talked back to me. Wow. So, what it ended up being was a long lost little borrower. So, she is living in my house under the floor, and she was coming up. She said she would hide and watch me craft, and she wanted to craft too. So she came out and used my stuff and my table and tried to craft and make something. She's trying to make her a good home too. But we have really met good. We introduced our each selves to each other. And guess what, guys? We are going to become very good best friends. I would like for y'all to meet my new friend. Yarnell Buttonwick. So, she is using my stacking dolls to lean against. And she is sitting on a cork stopper. So this is Yarnell. And this is her clothes, her dress she wears. One and only dress she has, she says. Now, she can talk to me and I can hear her. But she says other people won't be able to hear her. So I will have to tell y'all what she says. So, she came from a long ago descendants of the borrowers back in the day. So, something like her great-great-great-grandmother was Arietta Clark. And they have all long deceased and gone, and she, that she knows of, is the only one that's left, living by herself, and she was trying to make her a home here under my floors. Well, I told her, if we're going to become friends, she's not going to live under my floor. I'm just going to share my craft room with her. She can live right here in my craft room. And I will teach her and show her how to craft good, and we can craft good and become best friends. So that's that. That's what's going to happen there. I even told her I'd make her some new clothes and just all kinds of stuff. And we would have all kinds of fun. And she just agreed. So this is my new best friend, Yarnell Buttonwick. And I will give you an up close. So, me and Yarnell will keep y'all updated on what she is doing. Okay? In my craft room that is now hers as well. This is her home. I may help make and build her a home for here in my craft room somewhere. So there you go. What do y'all think about my strange noise? So now we have to update the journal on this because the mystery is solved. Woohoo! For best friends. Yay! Alright, guys. Me and Yarnell will let y'all go, and we will see y'all later. Toots until the next clip. Okay, guys, we are going to update our little journal here. The mystery was solved, and we have met Yarnell Buttonwick. And she is so cute, ain't she? I'm so glad to have a friend to share my craft room with. So, this is what I've done so far. This is like the title page of my journal. So I did a bunch of doodling like I like to do. And I've got from something strange. Now I'm holding it like that. Can y'all see what I'm thinking? I gotta do this, but I'm thinking y'all looking at it right. From something strange to a little borrower friend. A little borrower friend. Okay, let's pull this up. From something strange to a little borrower friend. So, that's the name. And this is just going to stay right inside here as the title page. I don't have no need to pull that out. I'm not going to do anything on the back of it because it bleeds through and you can see all of that. Alright, let me go ahead and pull this out. This is our first little what's it called? I can't think of the word. Is it stationery? No. Well. I cannot for the life of me think of the name of it. Signature. Okay. So, this is our first signature. I've cut and trimmed it to fit in there good. And I've placed the papers in the order I want them in by color and design and stuff. And this is how I have it. I have got to punch holes in this and put it together with some type of string. And that's what we need to do now. All right. So, I'm going to get my crocodile here. And let's see. I need the little one, or do I need the bigger one? What am I going to be using? If I do the bigger one, it would be easy to put ribbon through there. So let's go with the bigger one. Yes. All right. So let me get my first page, and this may be, I may have to speed this up, in which case, see, I don't know how to speed the first part of a clip up or let it go its normal rate, whatever you want to call that, and then speed the last part of it up. It needs to be like separate clips for me to do that. I don't know. Just don't know. Just don't know. Just don't know. I'm trying to see here where I want it. Let's go to the end now. Oh, that was way too far over. See what I mean? I am not good at all. Well, I learned that. Ooh, that makes me so mad. That makes me so mad. It's right there where I need to go. And about right there. Okay. That's my first one. So, guys, I'm not going to go through all these pages like this with y'all. I'm going to cut you off, and we'll be right back after all that is done, okay? Hello, everyone. We're back again. It's the next day, so today is Wednesday. I'm feeling even better, but my head and ears is still stopped up. But I went ahead and punched the holes in my signature here. And I went ahead and put some yarn through them and put it all together here. So I put the little pieces of paper, some up, some down, some in the middle, and I see that looks like that. I don't know if that's tearing or not. But anyway, there's the middle of it. It's quite loose, so we can turn it, and so, you know, adding stuff to it and stuff inside of it, the decorations and such. So, there is our first signature. And, I gotta figure out exactly what and how I want to do with this. We have, let me see, in this one, do I have anything I can use? And I know I'm off camera now, but I'm getting some more book pages out of my other zipper pouch. Or should I use something of this? That's upside down. Alright, let's see. Alright, I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to trim that a little bit. Take that white off and kind of help make that straight a little bit through there. I think y'all can see. Let me get up and look. Yeah, kind of. Alright. Do y'all like this new setup that I have here? Alright, let's fold this like this. Now, what am I going to use? Will just a glue stick work? Or do I need something more? I'm kind of thinking I might need something more. The thing about it is, whether this is clogged up or not, I better write first. So, and I'm just going to write in pen. Let's do this right here. in the fold. Now, guys, I don't know how to spell mysterious. And I usually ask Siri, but I'm using Siri to record. I know mystery, and I know mysteries, but I don't know mysterious. I think it has a U in it. So let's do mystery, M-Y-S-T-E-R, mystery, U-S-C, mysterious? Close enough. I'll know what I mean. I'm not a good speller, but anyway, I started hearing little tiny sounds. Didn't know where it was coming from or what it was. So strange and mysterious. Okay, I'm going to do my little doodling. Curly cues I like to do. I messed that one up. Okay. We're just gonna do this, and this, and this, and this, and then we're going to do one big curly cue in the middle. And then that's gonna fold down, and to read, you have to flip it up and read it. So now, let's see if we can clear this enough to get a little bit I'm trying to clear it off. Usually I have to get a pen. Oh, it's coming out. Okay. See good enough to really tell. I don't think a lot's coming out though. Okay. Now, I hope I did it on the right side, yes. All right. We want this right in the middle, or eyeballing it in the middle. Okay. So there we go. So there is the first of that. Now, we open it up and I have an idea, but hang on. Let me see. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, so on this page, let me see how much time we got. We may be over. Almost. Okay, I'm going to say bye here. This has brought us to the end of this vlog, and we'll have to finish working on this in our next vlog. So, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Toodaloo!